with patience on it.
Yeah.
They're gonna do full body, okay?
Okay.
Breath in and out. On your side, face me. Your left side joint. There you go. Pull you through. Breath in and out. All right, lay back. Okay, arms here. Come towards me.
She's got way more shoulder mobility than me.
Breath in and out.
No, for a money shot.
You have to come around there so you just get that.
A good videographer.
All right, there you go.